Students, today I am going to show you the video of pollination and fertilization. As we know that flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant and flowers only is the reproductive part of the plant. So in this video we will see the pollination as well as the fertilization. The reproductive part of flower is stamen as the male reproductive part and carpel is the female reproductive part. The flowers which have both stamen and carpel means male and female part are known as the bisexual plants. And some, for example, pea and China rose. Some plants they possess either the male or the female reproductive part. Such flowers are called unisexual flowers which have only male or female. Examples are corn and cucumber. The stamen and carpel are the two reproductive parts in flower. Stamen having the two parts. First one is the anther and second one is the filament. Anther contain the pollen grains or the male gametes. And the carpel consists of three parts. First topmost part is known as the stigma. Second middle part is known as the style. And third swollen part is known as the ovary, which contain the ovules, and ovules contains the female cells or female gamete, and they are known as the egg cells. In this process of fertilization or sexual reproduction, both the male and the female gametes fuse together and make a single cell known as the zygote. The pollen grains from the male gamete and the female gametes from the ovule join together. The transfer of a male gamete from the stamen of a flower to the stigma of the same or the other flower is known as the pollination. The transfer of a male gamete from the stamen of a flower to the stigma of the same flower or the other flower is called pollination. And when the stamen goes to the stigma of the same flower, it is known as the self-pollination. And when pollen grains from the stamen of the one flower to the another flower stigma in the other plant of same species is known as the cross pollination. The agents of pollination are wind, water and animals or insects. During the process of pollination, when pollen grains stay on the stigma, the pollen grains make a pollen tube. Through the style, the pollen tube reaches to the ovary, and inside the ovary, the male gametes are released, and in the ovule, the female gamete and the male gamete fuses together to make the zygote, and then zygote develop into an embryo, which is a multicellular or from single cell zygote. Embryo is developed through various process or various cells are produced, and the ovule is hardened and known as the seed, whereas the ovary become the ripened part of the flower, and rest of the petal and sepals fall off, and now the seed is inside, which is the ovule, and the ripened fruit is ovary. And inside the ovule small embryo is there, or small embryo is also known as the small baby plant, and during the favorable condition this baby plant grow into a plant. So this is the process of fertilization and pollination.